I'm going to fry these off on medium heat now. In that lovely chicken oil. For about 10 minutes until they're beginning to go brown. While I'm frying those, I'm going to pop in a couple of bay leaves and a few cloves. That will infuse into the oil. If you feel like you want to add some more oil, you can do. If it's beginning to stick, you can add a splash of water or some of the chicken stock. This is my chicken stock. Just a little bit to deglaze the pan. Only a little spoonful, like a tablespoon, just to get any sticky bits off the bottom. Let's soon come back to spices. The spice powder mix. Now, only fry these for 30 seconds or so, and if they begin to stick, you start to feel them sticking, keep stirring. Add a bit more water or stock. Okay, so I can smell those. I can smell those aromas coming off now. My can of chopped tomatoes. If you're using fresh tomatoes, need about 4 or 5. Now, just cook this off on a simmer until the oil I'm going to return the chicken back in. Bit of water in there, and stock. It's about 250 because that chicken is not fully cooked. So you need 20 minutes to be sure. Now, some salt, pepper and sugar there. About a teaspoon each. Pop that in. Put them to garnish at the end, same as your cheese. Quite liquidy, but this Napoleon chicken curry traditionally is quite thick, so we've got time to cook that chicken and for it to. So that has been cooking for 20 minutes now, and oil is starting to rise to the top. So that's ready to dish up. You could serve this with any type of rice, naan bread and chapatis.